Hey, George, get out of the way!
Sorry.
Thank you! Hey, Milk Pot, this is Sugar Bowl, and I have a video response to your totally awesome video, dude! But first, I have to change into my dancing clothes. Okay, here we go, and everyone is to dance along to the chicken dance! Hold on!
Come here. I got a new dance I want to show ya. Oh, I know this. It's the bird dance, where you clap your hands and flap your arms.
Wasn't it fun? Okay, well I'm gonna go. I'm gonna head up to more dance lessons. But before I go, I want to say special thanks to all of you who are watching. Please comment and ask for more. Bye!